you to know that you are coming into Jamaica and you have cash, which when it is worked out, it is equivalent to 100,000 Jamaican dollars. The customs officer is empowered to seize your cash in whatever currency it is.
Viewers and subscribers, and see what go on right there. So people, we have the video here. I'm going to see recite because this is a video for some important people who are travel at Jamaica. Well, some people who are travel at Jamaica, it have to be important. But all who are planning to book a trip at Jamaica, you see me, I say people, imagine you are going to Jamaica now, my friend. You see me, you pack up yourself. Now I say, yeah, you save up your little money and you say, I got Jamaica. You get me? And you go down upon a vacation time now, people, and you know, say, yeah, you a cash you have in your thing, you know, roll with no card. You see me? You have a card in, but you have some cash on you. You have say you have 2,000, 2,500, 3,000 US in your pocket. You see me? I say, that about 400,000 Jamaican dollar you have this. So, you see me? So you say, yeah, you just walk with that cash. Even if you have $1,000 then. Say you have 1,000 Jamaican, we put it to, we even put it to 3,000. You have 1,000 Jamaican dollar in your pocket, my friend. You see me? And you stay to no back now. And you stay to no man reach at airport when a customer asks you, how much money you have for you? You say, yo, watch out, me have 1,000 US in the blood card. When they check up it, that are over $100,000. Them say, wait, you're not supposed to have so much money. Once you have over 1,000 Jamaican dollar, them say custom can take that from you, and you have to go find a way of explain to get back your money. You see me, I say people crazy run on part. Before jumping that video, don't remember to do it right. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Spotitdon. My name is Dan Pert. This channel is all about travel vlog, music, news, entertainment up there, live stream, and guess what? Story time. And we are telling deportees series in that story right now. So I don't know all of that, people. So activate. This is one good video. We feel like it make in line with the content that we're showing over here fit we need. So this is all important knowledge for the people them. So I want to hear and listen. You see me, some car driving in the background so nice, so you have to listen to what mama say and listen real good. You get to be as a people and tell me thanks in the comment section because the body would have get take away. Because watch you did talk.
Hi everybody, I'm just coming from the Ministry of Finance and I am here because I came to collect money that was at the airport by the customs officer. I want you to know that you are coming into Jamaica and you have cash, which when it is worked out, it is equivalent to 100,000 Jamaican dollars. The customs officer is empowered to seize your cash in whatever currency it is. As long as when they calculate it, do the conversion, it is 100,000. And then you have to prove that your money was not intended for any criminal purpose before you can get it back. And that is what I have done for my client. He came in from the Bahamas and his money was seized. Although he declared, remember you only need to declare you have 10,000 US. He had less than 10,000 US, far less than 10,000. But when they converted it, it exceeded 100,000 Jamaican dollars, which is not hard to do. And as a result, his money was seized. So be careful and be warned that if you are coming with more than $100,000 in Jamaican or its equivalent, they can seize your money. And then you have to prove why you are to get it back. Be warned.
You want, so people, as we see right there, so now people, the year are going. So basically now them say if you are coming to Jamaica with 100,000 or you're traveling with US or whatever currency, Canada and Europe, whatever currency and it equally worth out to 100,000 Jamaican dollar. You see me, I say custom can take with that money from you and now you have to go prove to them, tell them say, yo, me nah come at Jamaica cause invest in no violence, me nah buy no gun, me nah promote no gang, me nah do none of that. All of that you have to go through to get back your money, your $100,000. Yo, no 100,000 cause they go take away. We already did know about the 10,000, so you can travel with $10,000. But now we come like a one different type of thing this. You see me, I say, what different type of thing this are going on the growing at Jamaica. You see me? But right now, they must say still, and anybody, me don't feel like this are going to be for anybody. She said she coming from court to get back her client money. Her client are come from the Bahamas. I don't know if I'm a Bahamian or whatever. You see me? But I don't know if a Jamaican come on a visit. So basically, when they forward down there, my thing is, a Jamaican will go work, Jamaican will go overseas go work. And I come back with their money. You see me, I say, una go take their money and then tell, una know say I work them work and then tell them, say, yo, watch you know, una have to come right here, so come show we, or say this money, and I work, we go work. So that can't make no sense. Cause me, be a come at Jamaica now, and me a forward my money. Me not in a dump, but me even know nobody, me not come with nobody at Jamaica. Me a come with my money at Jamaica because spend back in our country. Cause this money where me a travel with is to spend in a Jamaica to buy food, whatever, whatever me have to buy, me smoke, whatever, and enjoy myself, go on my little vacation and all these things. That's what the money when me have for. You see me, I say, I know you are going to take the money there from me and give me pressure to go up, go hire liar now to bumbo cloth. So that means we have to go pay liar money, which liar them make money off of this. The government make back money off of this. To go back and go try to get back my money when me know say my money when me work hard for now Jamaica and have to fix up that can't go so. We have to fix up that cannot go so, just like how right now people them a ball about the cruise ship, the warship that in the thing. The people them a cry about the warship. I say, yo, right now, Andrew Wallace, if you come out and go talk, explain about this warship here. Why them people over here, so we're in a war with Cuba and all these things. So all these things, them a use all these things, people. You see, when everybody mind upon this warship business, you know, they have new things that come out. You feel me? I say, so new law go on right now, cause you mind everybody on the social media. I talk about this warship in Jamaica and all these things. You see me? But Andrew Holness, let me tell you this. Look on Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago make them they come put them must say them radar system. Them they come put their radar system in a Trinidad airport, right? So Trinidad Prime Minister the end line with them and all these things. And you know what they do for Trinidad? They make Trinidad people still can obtain them visa. Them still can get married and get them papers. You feel me? I say Trinidad people now have to come back out of the country. They feel me? I say, so all you agree with the government, America and all these things, and them still them a take a few visa, I tell them put up on the visa ban and all these things. Trinidad not upon the visa ban, and we have for them warship, big old warship, and all Trinidad do make them do a put on a little radar system, a little thing will spin around so. One little thing, no big ship and no Navy SEAL and nothing there. You see me? And you now get them to come do all of that, and we still upon visa ban, my friend. No man. You have to go fix up that. You have to go fix up that. You feel me? I say, I have to go fix up this thing with this money business here. You see me? That's why when me see them local thing, I bring them over here for my people, them can know what I go on. Cause no for no know what I go on, you know. Right now, them a try blight something about for happen people. You see me? I say something with this aisle and this everything, this aisle are coming at Jamaica and all these things, people, them a try shadow ban with people no stay focused, walking up on the eye. When you see them local thing, excitement here go on. Something are going behind the closed door. Something going on behind the closed door. Some deal and make some type of something are going. You see me, cause we are now focus panic. So when time them pass it, they say, yes, we did pass it right there, so we put it out, but just never see. When they take up a newspaper and start read it. Cause here them are going to start. Then I put in a social media and I put in a newspaper. Cause they know say all the young people and Jamaica so no read newspaper again. Mostly old people them. You see me I say and them might try pass some local law around the say and then when they come back now they say, oh, we did put it in the newspaper. You never see it in the newspaper. You see me I say, they know we not reading about newspaper. Viewers and subscribers, but they just do it right, you know, cause I think I get crazy around one part, my friend. You get to me, I say, all these things that go on, we done in America fight immigration status, we done a plan for move back on the yard, and all these things, don't say war, big old a warship, but then say after 5 days. Today, how much must see third or fourth? You see me? You see, today about the fourth. You get to me, I say, my people, and guess what now? We don't plan to cover Jamaica and see warship, they say it there for 5 days. and all them things they pan the ground and all these things. We see people pan the ship a jump off like a train, then come a Jamaica for train. Like in Navy SEAL, them a jump off in the ocean and all these things. Like they don't have water over America for go jump off in. Why don't come a jump off in there, I think? You see me, I say, I know them a me hear them a lick out pan Cuba. I say Cuba this and Cuba that and Cuba that contribute to whole heap of drugs back in the day, whole heap of this, a whole bag of same thing, people. We just want to travel and travel in peace. We don't want nobody to take with money, and we don't want nobody to put no warship down there for we people, tourists, then can't come to Jamaica because they think the war go on. You get me, I say, people? Yeah. So viewers and subscribers, that go on pan what go on. As I said, they know what thing go. Remember if you do it right, just like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell, my friend. Support the channel and support the content of Spotitdon TV. You see me, I say anything with traveling. You see me, I say story time. You see me, I say Jamaican thing that in the going on in the Jamaican desperate right now, they can't find it over here. You get to me, I say people, and on can't say, me never bring something if you come tell you, go look it up. The thing of them say, I go on right now. You cannot go, if you're traveling to Jamaica with more than 100,000 Jamaica, it's a possibility. The US, the Jamaican custom can seize that money. You get to me, I say? The Jamaican custom can seize the money. So people check up and better if you not go to Jamaica and go with a card. And then everybody want to go with them card, because watch I know if you then go draw be your money off of them card and some style, my friend, remember say, you know, that is a cost. You see me, I say, that is a cost. That is a cost. But let me tell you one of the people, not for we go visit Jamaica and visit regularly, when you open up an NCB account. You see me, I say, once you visit Jamaica and have access on, you can get a TRN number and some style and all them things there. When you open up an NCB account, get on a bank account, and I do a Jamaican bank account, I forget still, you know, people. When I feel like Jamaica bank account, I want to have this bank account to get to one bad. They want everything from you. They want your mother name, made the name, your father made the name, your birthday, your this and that. You feel me? I say they want JP for stamp and sign. They want all these things. They want much in passport, picture and all them things. Me never got nowhere else saying I heard go open a bank account and they ask for passport picture. Me never got nowhere else I heard go open bank account and they ask for passport picture. People, them think they are foolishness. They see me if I come with my TR and my social security for Jamaica and my ID. You feel me? I say my passport or whatever. Yeah, you see me, we give you a bank account because obviously we come for bank account for saving night. I want to come for saving night. You must know where money I come from. You get to me, I say, right now people have money I collect all over the place right now and they never do 9 to 5. We are collect money through online, through this, through that. You get to me, I say people, so just free up your bank account system and they see we come, man. You see it, people? But me I tell you guys, this really crazy. Crazy run on one part, viewers and subscribers. I not tell you no lie. I not tell you no lie. You see me I say? So viewers and subscribers, big up for yourself. This video is not a long video. You feel me? This video is just a quick video for you know. Come see what go on, where we are telling you what's going on in Jamaica and all them thing there right now with the traveling thing. And this is a travel advisory. You see me? I said this is a travel advisory video. Remember we said travel vlog, music, news, entertainment up there, live stream. So this video fall under the travel advisory, people, because this is for anybody who traveling to Jamaica with more than 100,000 Jamaican dollar. It can be crazy for you, my friend. Big up for the set. See you for the next one.